Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen on behalf of Expert Village. We're talking about flower gardening. So how big do I really want my garden to be? That's the question. And it's like throwing a party again. How big do you want your party to be? Do you want to have a real small, formal little affair and just invite 10 people over? Or do you want to have a big summer bash and have 100 people over? And that's kind of the way you decide on your garden too. Do you want to attempt a big party or do you want to have just a small get-together? It's up to you because remember, it is your garden party. Anything that you decide goes. So, either if you have a small area and you don't have a lot of room to garden, if you have a small area, maybe even 1 foot by 1 foot, you have a big enough area to garden. When I'm selecting plants, just pick small little plants, like a perfect succulent garden or a cactus garden, or have just a lot of little types of flower bulbs in there, crocus and daffodils, going into maybe even a few lilies in the summer and a few calla lilies. You don't need a lot of area to garden. Or if you've got an acre, you can plan ahead and just set different gardens all through your garden, moon garden, red garden, tropical garden. And that way you can have anything that you want in your yard. But I think the key is starting out small and not getting too overwhelmed by it and taking it a step at a time. Just like throwing a party. A little bit of planning goes a long ways. In the next segment, we'll talk about the easiest gardens to maintain.